Hi, welcome to MarineMax. My name's Caleb Wolf.
And my name's Leo Johnson, and today we have the pleasure of showing you our 2024 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS Outboard. Let's check it out.
Welcome aboard the 38 GLS. This boat is powered by Triple 400 V10 Mercury Outboards. We'll move on to the inside here. You'll notice we got some cool features in the back. In here we have some extra storage for your shore powered cords and connections. This one comes with your stern washdown hose. You'll notice you have your device chargers here and your Rockford Fosgate stereo head aft. Moving on to the inside, you'll notice this super spacious aft-facing seating. You can also flip this to the terrace side when you have this folded down. Gives you a little better vantage point, whether you're hanging out on the side or the back. You got a drop down ladder here, easy in and out. Moving up into the boat here, you'll notice you got this kick out door, keep you a little more secure, maybe for some of your pets. On the inside, you'll notice super spacious seating as well. Wraparound style, awesome conversation area. You have beautiful wood tables set up, ergonomic to get through the boat as well. Moving over to the wet bar, awesome feature on this boat. You have the electric grill, you have your electric fridge, dedicated storage for your garbage and other miscellaneous items to store. A freshwater sink, really does it all, super great. Again, tons of seating over here with storage underneath all the seats. On this back side of the wet bar, you have these super awesome bar stools. Great spot to sit out. You have the cushions on the back here, so if you want to use that as a spot while you're riding, super comfortable. Cool spot to hang. Moving over to your helm station, you'll know we're powered by twin 12-inch Simrads over here. Double wide seat on a bolster and flip down armrest, really comfortable. You have all your switches here, easy accessible. You also have your digital throttle here, and this one comes with the joystick, so it's a breeze to dock no matter if you're used to the size of boat or not. You also have some vents over here for staying a little more comfortable, whether it's heat or AC. You have a nice cup holder here by the helm, and also a charging pad for your phone. Really convenient, just set it down and you know you're charged up. Moving on to the bow space over here. Really deep side walk-through, really secure. This opens up and gives you a wind dam. Close it off, keep the wind out of your face. And then moving up to the bow here, you got spacious bow seating. Really nothing you'll ever see on another boat. It's really awesome with the cabin feature that it comes with as well. Really deep, secure, awesome spot to hang out on the lake.
Let's go ahead and step down below on this 38 GLS. You'll notice we have a really nice door with a really great grab handle here. One thing that's super nice about this boat is you do actually have a screen door that you can close up in those kind of temperate days where you don't need the full closure. Coming down, we do have a porthole on this boat, really great for some ventilation, some fresh air. In addition, you're gonna have some really great wood steps. You'll notice as we come into the boat, we're gonna have a really convenient microwave oven here, another refrigerator like above, and your Connex TV. You are gonna also have an option to mount this at your entertainment center up above. Really great spot. Coming up to the bow here, you'll notice that this is set up with the table configuration, really great space to play cards, kind of hang out, get away from the weather a little bit. This is heated and air conditioned down here, so really great spot to hang out. When you're ready to take this boat out for the weekend or use it as sleeping quarters, this table does come down and turns into a full berth up here. Really great spot to hang out. In addition to the bow sleeping area, you do have this really nice double wide section back here where you can put a couple more guests. Really expansive space, lots of storage down there, reading lights, and you've also got television as well. One great feature of this boat in particular is the really nice head compartment. I'm about 6'3", and I can stand up here pretty comfortably. You do have a nice vacuum flush head, in addition to a dedicated shower with curtains. You're also going to have a medicine cabinet, storage in here, your sink, and your really nice porthole here as well. Thanks for watching our walkthrough on this 2024 Cruisers 38 GLS.
If you like this boat, we'd love to see you at the store. Give us a call or send us a DM. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.